A quick guide to setting up DCA on Tokenize Xchange. Skip ahead if you just want to watch the tutorial. Starting your investment journey can feel overwhelming. You go online to learn strategies and suddenly, you're hit with charts, calculations, market timing, and new terms. It's not just about money, it's about understanding the rhythm of the market. And soon enough, you find yourself asking, how can I invest effectively without constantly stressing about risk? Well, here's your answer, and it's something you can set up in just a few minutes on Tokenize Xchange. It's called DCA, dollar cost averaging. Let's break it down, and we'll show you exactly how to use it on our platform. What is DCA? DCA stands for dollar cost averaging, an investment strategy that lets you buy crypto by spreading your capital across regular purchases instead of going all in at once. For example, rather than investing $500 in Bitcoin today, you might invest $50 every week for 10 weeks. This strategy helps you manage risk, smooth out the price fluctuations, and avoid the pressure of trying to time the market perfectly. And over time, this method can reduce the impact of volatility and help you build long-term positions with less stress. Now let's start setting up DCA on Tokenize Xchange. First, log in to your Tokenize account. Now on the top left, hover over the Trade tab, then click on Dollar Cost Averaging. Scroll down to find the settings. In the DCA settings, you'll see a drop-down list of 15 coins to choose from. In this video, we'll demonstrate with BTC and TKX. After choosing the coins, fill in the details, how much you want to invest per purchase, currency, and interval, daily, weekly, monthly, times to repeat the purchase, and choose the start date and time you'd like the DCA to begin. For example, we'll enter $10 weekly and set it to repeat once for each coin. After that, click Start Now. Finally, a confirmation screen will pop up. Double-check your settings, then confirm. You'll see a green notification once it's all set up. Bonus tip: if you ever want to stop a DCA, just go to your DCA list, select Stop DCA and confirm. And that's it, your DCA plan is now live. It's one of the simplest ways to build a strong investment habit, reduce emotional decision-making, and invest consistently over time. Try it for yourself on Tokenize Xchange and make market volatility work for you, not against you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Comment down below if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with our weekly content.